Hello, and welcome to the Graduate Studies online orientation for USI graduate students. Today, we will walk through a brief tutorial on Blackboard, a student service located in my USI. Blackboard is a course management system used by USI faculty and students. Many of your courses will require you to use Blackboard. Students can access course materials their professors make available and may participate in class discussions online. Once logged in to Blackboard, you will see your current courses listed under the My Courses section. You can also view recent announcements from the professor. It's worth noting that not all professors will utilize Blackboard, and therefore that course will not appear. By clicking the title of the course, you will view all materials and assignments required for the course. Course syllabus and introductions are typically included. Professors have the ability to tailor their Blackboard site to fit the needs of the course, so not all sites will have the same layout. You will also see a My Organizations tab for any organization that you may be a part of that uses Blackboard for notifications. You will also see a Campus Services tab that houses important links for Blackboard assistance. Towards the middle of the screen, you can view Blackboard support notifications. These announcements come from USI's IT Help Desk and are important for all students and may contain important Blackboard downtime dates that may affect submission dates. Towards the left-hand side of the screen, you can view university resources links such as the library, online learning, and IT, as well as important Blackboard tools like viewing announcements, a course calendar, and grades. That is Blackboard in a nutshell. If you have any questions about Blackboard, please contact Graduate Studies, your professor, your program director, or IT Help Desk.